Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can use the JoVE LTI tool to add videos into Blackboard. Start by signing into Blackboard. Navigate to your course. Select content from the navigation menu on the left. Click on Build Content. Select JoVE Videos from the drop-down menu. Click on Continue in a new window. Click on the Videos tab. Select a discipline that matches your course topic. Narrow it down by selecting a subject. Browse topics within the selected subject. Select one or multiple videos. Click on Submit. Play the video. That's it. Thank you for watching.